We're doing a relaxer right after this. Hey superstars, it's your girl Malika, aka Miss Magic, back with another hair video. So today we are going to relax this extremely thick hair. I understand I do natural hair, but sometimes people hair is so thick that they just have to have a relaxer. There's nothing else they can do with it. So we are going to relax her hair. But first, if you are new here, welcome to my channel. Thank you for coming. Go ahead, hit that subscribe button for me. If you like this video, give me a big thumbs up and go ahead and hit the notification bell so that you can be alerted when I do post another video. So right now I am basing her scalp, and then I am going to section her hair into 4 parts, and then we're going to get right on into this relaxer and flat iron. Sit back, relax, and enjoy.
I see the way you move, dancing dirty Diana. You say don't get comfortable, I'm too hot to handle. Many promises but no guarantees. Just see to believe all that I can be. I see the way you move, rhythm talks and you listen. Coconut spelling, the way you get down to business. Yeah. Said I'm drawn to you and just can't get enough. Question mark, a mystery, leaving wanting for more. Caught me at first sight. I know that I could be the one to change your life. Worse off for better. Pardon me, where are my manners? It's a pleasure to meet you. Can't help but admire. Too high for me, we can't agree. I'm two feelings, no anesthesia. Sun-kissed skin golden, fragrance by ocean. The present is pleasant, time stands still frozen. Can I find the fine words here? You got me stuttering. But by the look on your face, I can see that you're loving it. Is it real or facade? Can I tell what you got on? What's good, yeah, what's up? What's the deal like for one? Need some room for progression. Keep it simple like one. I see the way you move, dancing dirty Diana. You say don't get comfortable, I'm too hot to handle. Many promises but no guarantees. Just see to believe all that I can be. I see the way you move, dancing dirty Diana. You say don't get comfortable, I'm too hot to handle. Many promises but no guarantees. Just see to believe all that I can. Excuses. I'm about tired of them. I've tried and been tried. I'm not trying. She said she did it to protect me. That's a reason to neglect me. You wanna know why go set sail? I wonder why they up and just leave. I made time to prioritize you when I should've just prioritized me. Balls in my core, you giving me parameters. I give you ultimatums, you ain't really feeling them. Dress it up nice and neat. Now you wanna up and leave. Dress it up nice.
All right, guys, so this is the final look. I want to thank you guys for watching, and don't forget to subscribe, like, and comment, and hit that notification bell so you can be alerted when I do post another video. Thank you, guys. I hope to see you soon. Love you. Bye.
You wonder why go set sail. I wonder why they up and just leave. I'm in love with no common sense, but ain't got time for common fish. I can't afford it all again. I can't afford to love you. Look at all the time we spend. Damn if I do, damn if I don't. I'm asking you questions, you take too long. Did I take the bait if I wait too long? Making mistakes doesn't make you wrong, right? If this is for fake, then leave me alone. You trying to escape, then go ahead. I can